And now another big breaking news related to another Congress leader, this time Sonia Gandhi, who has made a jibe at the center. This is related to Israel's strike on Iran, the skirmish or the conflict that is going on in the West Asian region. In an article, she wrote, it is still not too late for India's voice to be heard. Sonia Gandhi accused the Narendra Modi government of abandoning India's long-standing and principled commitment, as she says, to a peaceful two-nation solution envisioning an independent Palestine along with Israel. She also condemned Israel's strike on Iran and its impact on the regional stability. She urged India to employ diplomatic channels to facilitate peace in West Asia. So for more on this, let's cut across to India Today's Shreya Chatterjee. Shreya, this article that Sonia Gandhi has authored, she has made some jibes not only at the center, but she's also taken on Netanyahu and Trump.
Well, absolutely. This has been, we can say, one of her pieces that she's attacked the stance of especially Donald Trump in his interest in West Asia and the destructive path that she deliberately mentions that Trump is following. Apart from that, she's also suggesting that the silence of the center so far as the current situation on Gaza and Iran is concerned is something which is not correct. She maintains that this is an unprovoked unilateral military operation that is being conducted by Israel against Gaza as well as Iran, and that's something that the center should be taking a stand on, and she's referred that this is not too late even now. It will be interesting to see that how the reactions pan out so far as India's stand is concerned, but clearly she's also in the same breath taken on against Netanyahu and also Donald Trump, especially because of the kind of tone that he continues to maintain so far as West Asia is concerned. And she's mentioned in as many words that this is a destructive war path that Donald Trump is following right now.
Thank you, Shreya, for all those details.